All right, practice problem 1. They want the value of angle 1 and angle 2. This time, they only gave us 2 angles to start with, so there's only one entry point, okay? If they give you 3 angles or more, there's multiple entry points for how you want to start to solve it. But this time, we have no choice. These angles are supplementary, so I have to add them together. 6x plus 4 plus 2x minus 16, and I set them equal to 180. See, I don't like these equations. To me, they're longer, but I have no choice. I'm going to combine my like terms and get 8x. I'm going to combine my constants, and I get negative 12. Two-step equation, I need to get rid of this 12 by doing the opposite. So I have 8x equals 192. I'm going to isolate the variable by dividing. Oh, what do we get? 8 goes into 19 twice with 3 left over, so x is 24. Not the question. I need to take this x and plug it in. So 6 instead of x, I put a 24 in its place, and then I'm going to add 4 to that. 6 times 24 is 144. I'm going to add 4 to that to get 148 degrees. And that's for this angle right here, which is vertical to angle 1. So angle 1 equals 148 degrees. Angle 2 is supplementary to angle 1. So I just have to subtract from 180 to see how much angle 2 is. So this will be 7, this will be 2, and this will be 3. So angle 2, actually I should say the measure of angle 2 is 32 degrees, and the measure of angle 1 is 148 degrees. There's a second part of this, and the question is, did question 1 have multiple entry points? Why or why not? No. We were only given 2 angles, so there's only 1 entry point. So make sure you write this out, okay? Because you got to understand this, so don't skip this part. Only 2 angles were given, so there's only 1 entry point. And now we're done with practice problem 1. Go ahead and give practice problem 2 a shot.